Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of permissions on Gmail. To know how to fix or how to solve permissions on Gmail, we click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Gmail and you will enter. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.